Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling.
Hey y'all, welcome to my video. This is my second time doing a review for this company. Thank you so much to Riri's Hair for sending me this beautiful, beautiful wig. This is a relaxed Yaki wig, and today I'm going to be doing a sleek ponytail style. It's actually going to be very versatile because it's actually a 2-for-1 style. You'll see. So if you want to see these results, stay tuned. And right now, I'm just going to show you some of the details. I just put the wig on my head. I haven't done anything to it. The wig has come with bleached knots already and pre-plucked. It's so amazing, which is why I was doing that. And this is a lace front wig, so it has the tracks in the back. And right now, I'm just cutting the lace off in the back, and I'm going to show you how you actually attach the comb. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. Just going to slide the combs that come with the wig underneath your braids. I'm using the lace tint from Tailored Crowns today. I use the color medium brown, and someone asked me, how do you know when the product is done tinting? It's really self-explanatory. It's wet, so once it's dry, that's it. This is the mousse that I have been using for my past few videos. I don't know if you can find it where you are, but this is the only stuff that I have access to, and it works pretty good. So that's why I'm comfortable letting you guys in on that product that I'm using. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead, cut the baby hairs, and do the baby hairs. Baby hairs are not easy to do. You have to keep practicing them until you get your mojo and you know exactly how you want them, how to do them, and so on and so forth. Right now, I'm just going to show you how I do mine. It takes some time to get them formed exactly how you want them. And once you have them formed, you're going to move on to the other side and go ahead and wrap your baby hairs down. Once again, these head wraps can be purchased at hairbyericaj.com. I'll attach the link below. Once you have your hairs wrapped down, you're going to go ahead and sit under the dryer until your baby hairs are completely dry and hard. Boom, you have it. You're going to rub the BioSilk on it. Then you're going to get a fine tooth, small tooth comb, and go ahead and comb it out. A few people have asked me where I got my hot comb from. I honestly thought everyone in America, everyone that has a grandma, a auntie, a old school mom, I thought they had one of these just in their houses, sitting around somewhere. But if not, you can find it at the hair store. I'm assuming that's where I got mine. It wasn't that expensive at all, maybe about $4 or $5. But yeah, I sit mine on the stove, and it's very dangerous to use if you don't know what you're doing. So if you're not experienced, don't use it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off. When you have your baby hairs already molded down, what you're going to do is just lift the baby hairs up during this process. It's very easy to do. And since everything is already molded, it's just like going in and just cutting the excess lace off. This little area on this side, you can see the cap underneath, so I'm going to go ahead and just lift it up, put some makeup just to have it where it's blended better. And that's way much better. You don't want to have the cap showing underneath. I didn't add makeup with this install just because I wanted to try something out to see if I needed to add makeup, but I only needed the makeup for that small section. But anywho, you're going to go ahead and start to press out your hair. This comb that I'm using, I've had this for over 4 years now. It was a gift that came with one of my flat irons, but you can probably find one on Amazon. I'm sure you can. If you have a Sally's near you, they have them, or maybe even your local beauty supply store. But this is a very beautiful texture, like the kinky texture. The kinky straight, I really love it, but the relaxed Yaki is much better because it still is a coarse texture, but it looks really, really like a fresh perm, literally. Now I'm just gonna show you guys the other style that I'm doing, which is the sleek ponytail. I'm just gonna use the same mousse that I've showed you guys, put that on the hair, then go ahead and wrap it around the ponytail. Usually I would use spritz or holding spray, but I want to wear this wig again without having to wash it and do all of that type of stuff. So I'm not going to add any chemicals on this hair that's going to make it hard to the point where I'm going to have to wash it the next time I wear it. So to keep from doing that, you can just use the mousse. The style is complete. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It's honestly very easy to do. If you want to get this look, go ahead and shop with this company. You will not be disappointed. Trust me, this is my second time and I love, love, love this company. I have no regrets. I have no complaints. This is honestly one of the companies that I will honestly recommend to you guys. Once again, that completes this video, but just going to show you something. Oh, clueless. Bye. See you next time.